Morning, dear students. Today we will revise division sums. But before further start, I will going to proceed with pledge. I commit to be vigilant and bear in mind at all times the risk to myself and my colleagues from COVID-19. I promise to take all necessary precautions that prevent the spread of this deadly virus. I promise to follow and encourage others to follow the key COVID appropriate behaviors, to always wear a mask or face cover, especially when in public places, to maintain a minimum distance of 6 feet from others, to wash my hands frequently and thoroughly with soap and water. Together we will win this fight against COVID-19. So dear students, today we will revise division sums. Our first sum is this one. We will have to divide 27 by 9. Means we will have to read the table of 9. हम 9 का टेबल रीड करेंगे ताकि हमें 27 मिल जाए और हम ये देखेंगे कि 27 कहाँ पे आता है. 9 multiply 1 equals to 9. 9 2 is 18. 9 3 is 27. So 9 के टेबल पे 27 कहाँ पे आता है? 3 पे आता है. So we will put 3 here and 27 here. So now we will subtract this. 27 minus 27 is 0. Our second sum is this. We will have to divide 49 by 7. मीन्स अब हमें 7 का टेबल रीड करना है ताकि हमें 49 मिल जाए और हम ये देखेंगे कि 49 7 के टेबल पे कहाँ आता है. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 7 3 the 21, 7 4 the 28, 7 5 the 35, 7 6 the 42, 7 7 the 49. So 7 के टेबल पे 49 कहाँ पे आता है? 7 पे. So we will put 7 here and 49 here. Now we will subtract 49 minus 49, that is 0. Our next sum is this one. We will have to divide 32 by 8. अब हमें 8 का टेबल रीड करना है ताकि हमें 32 मिल जाए और अब हम ये देखेंगे कि 32 8 के टेबल पे कहाँ पे आता है. 8 1 the 8, 8 2 the 16, 8 3 the 24, 8 4 the 32. So 8 के टेबल पे 32 कहाँ पे आता है? 4 पे. So we will put 4 here and 32 here. Now we will subtract. 2 minus 2 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0, so our answer is 0. Now our fourth sum is this one. We will have to divide 30 by 5. अब हमें 5 का टेबल रीड करना है और हमें ये ध्यान रखना है कि 35 के टेबल पे कहाँ पे आता है. 5 1 the 5, 5 2 the 10, 5 3 the 15, 5 4 the 20, 5 5 the 25, 5 6 the 30. So 5 के टेबल पे 30 कहाँ पे आता है? 6 पे. So we will put 6 here and 30 here. Now again we will subtract. 0 minus 0 is 0, 3 minus 3 is 0. So our answer is 0. Our next sum is this. We will have to divide 45 by 9. इसके लिए अब हमें स्टूडेंट्स 9 का टेबल रीड करना पड़ेगा और हमें देखना पड़ेगा कि 9 के टेबल पे 45 कहाँ पे आता है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो नाउ 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 3 the 27, 9 4 the 36, 9 5 the 45. So 9 के टेबल पे 45 कहाँ पे आता है? 5 पे. We will put 5 here and 45 here. Now we will subtract. 5 minus 5 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0, so our answer is 0. Our sixth sum is this. We will have to divide 18 by 3. Now students, अब हमें 3 का टेबल रीड करना पड़ेगा और हमें देखना पड़ेगा कि 3 के टेबल में 18 कहाँ पे आता है. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 the 6, 3 3 the 9, 3 4 the 12, 3 5 the 15, 3 6 the 18. So 3 के टेबल पे 18 कहाँ पे आता है? 6 पे. So we will put 6 here and 18 here. Now we will subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. So students, this is all about today. You will have to practice all of these sums on your rough notebook. Okay students, till then take care. Goodbye.